Hey everybody, Vicki here. I wanted to show you the process of my recent painting. It is an abstract floral. It's not liquid, but I really like the way it turned out. I have used this process before. All I'm using is paint directly on the canvas or put on a crumpled up paper towel. And that's what I am using to make everything you see, with the exception of one time that I used, well, I guess it was a popsicle stick. And I also used a small brush to put in some small detail color. But I hope you enjoy watching this painting as it unfolds. It was a 2 to 3 hour process that I have condensed down to a little bit more than 10 minutes, so you can see how much it is sped up. I did allow it to dry in between the application of the background, and then when I put the leaves, the green part on, and I'll let the green dry before I added the flowers. So let me know what you think, and as always, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye.